make me feel on me.
I been looking for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. Shorty know I got it, shorty know I'm on it. Pull up upon me when I rub up on palming. Come fuck with the top shot, money on me, no.
Hey y'all, so jumping right into the video, I'm gonna be starting with my eyebrows. I'm gonna try to mimic how Alexa's were, super sparse and like carefree, you know. So I'll be doing something that I've never done before, which is putting Eco on my brows, okay? I'm also going to take my spoolie to brush my brow hairs upwards, and then I'm going to fill them in just a second. When doing this, I noticed that it's important to shape your brow hairs when the gel is still wet, and then just let it dry so you're not disturbing your hairs. Afterwards, I filled in my brows with the NYX Micro Pencil in Espresso, but I only did the bottom and like filled in some sparse areas and left the top super natural. So, of course, I concealed my brows as well with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe it's in Cool Tan or Light Tan. I'm not sure. And then I think I'm going to show you guys that I blended that out with an e.l.f. blender brush. It only costs $1 at your local CVS. And I also used the same brush and the same concealer to conceal my eyes and prime a little bit before eyeshadow. I'm also using the Morphe, is it the Boss Babe palette? I think so. Yeah. Eyeshadow is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch that while y'all listen to some music, and I'm gonna speed the whole process up, and then I'm gonna come back when we are applying the rhinestones. But you know, while you're watching this, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're still on the road to 20,000 subscribers. We just hit 13, and I'm super excited and I'm super thankful. But yeah, let me let y'all enjoy this video.
Talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one, I wanna give it to you. I've been waiting, they're gonna make that move. Let me tell you if you like it, tell me if you like it. I've been waiting, they're gonna make that move.
So here is the packaging that the rhinestones came in. I ordered it from Amazon. Of course, that's what I get all my stuff from. I think the cost was $11.99 and the shipping was free. 2-day shipping with Prime. Even though that's not super expensive, best believe you will see a whole lot of more makeup tutorials, including these rhinestones, okay? Because I'm going to get my money's worth. But basically, it was 2 different packages of rhinestones, all different types of colors. And it also came with a stylus, which is super cute. And these are the 3 colors that I will be using in today's video, the green, the blue, and the clear. And I also went ahead and picked up some clear glue duo adhesive from CVS. So I went ahead and did one eye off camera in Beige. It is so cute. It is so popping. The little baby hair as well. It's so cute. But anyways, it's really, really easy. And I'm about to show y'all how I do it on this eye. So basically all I did was put some glue on the packaging that it came in so I can have easy access to it with my stylus. So I dipped the stylus into the glue, picked up a rhinestone, put the glue on my face, and popped it right on. Once again, it's super self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let y'all watch me do what I do.
I know them all the guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I've been waiting and they're gonna make that move. Let me tell you if you like it, tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, they're gonna make that move.
So now that the rhinestones are done, I'm just going to pop on some lashes. And now I'm about to do my regular full face, like my foundation routine basically. So if you've seen any of my makeup tutorials, this is basically just the same application. And I'm just going to let y'all watch this as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to know your push notifications. And happy Halloween, guys. Even though I was late, at least I still gave y'all some content. Okay? Okay.
I